Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think I have built the ultimate shop stool, garage stool that is out on the market right now. What I've done is I've paired up the Milwaukee Packout Worktop with the Packout Crate and the Dolly, and it is just perfection. You've got a spot where you can sit here. The Dolly, its casters are fantastic. If any of you have ever used the Packout Dolly, you'll know that you can put a huge amount of weight of Packouts on this thing and it rolls smooth. It's not tippy or anything like that. It's fantastic. And inside here with the crate, you've got storage for, whatever you would like to put in there, whether you're using this for car detailing or for just, working on your car, changing the oil, switching out or rotating the tires. You can sit on here and it just rolls perfect. I know that there's other type of stools or rolling seats out on the market. From what I've found, most of them are junk. If not, they're several hundreds of dollars. I priced this one out. If we mixed up these Packouts, you're looking at right at, say, $220 at the most. Now, and the cool thing about it is you don't have to keep it as the stool all the time because it's all modular. As you guys know, Packout is. You can switch it up to however you want. But if you have the luxury of just keeping it like this, it may be just perfect. I have seen that for the top here, that they now have it's a padded top, which I think it's used for in the event that you have to do some kneeling or whatnot. You could switch out the worktop for that and it would have a little bit more cushion. But as for me, it works fine. And likewise, you don't necessarily have to use the crate as what you're putting the top on. You can use the 3-drawer setup if you wanted to have more tool storage. If it's like, your use case is something like that, where you have lots of tools that you're going to have to be using at the ready like that. Or, like I would probably use it for is to rotate the tires here on my Tacoma. And, if you put another Packout on top of that, like I said, you can use it as a full-blown workbench stool if you wanted to. But just wanted to come on here and share this, get your guys' thoughts on whether or not you think that this is something that you would use. What other options are out there that may be better than this? I'd love to hear you guys comment on those and tell me about them in the comments. But until then, I'm saying that this is the perfect rolling stool for my shop. Until next time, guys, talk to you later. Bye.